I received this mini screwdriver set for free in exchange for an honest review. It comes in this small pocketbook type thing. It's not real leather, it's a plastic type material. And it snaps nicely here. You have a small pocket on this side to hold different things. Let me turn this around. And here you have your screwdriver. This spins. It's very lightweight, and inside is where the magnet will hold on there. So you just keep it in here. There are lots of different screwdriver heads here. Most of them are pretty tiny. And then you have some bigger star heads here. It's not showing up very well. But what you can do is, this is creative. They have underneath this flap, you take your screwdriver head and just pop it out like that. There's a little groove in the back that makes it easy to pull out. So there's the metal piece, and stick it inside there. Turn it a little bit where the grooves are, and then it pops in, and you can easily take it and screw it in there. I tried it on my camera on one of the small screws, and it attached very easily, and I was able to grip this easily and turn it. I'm thinking about maybe putting this in my purse or in the van. Here, so it easily pops up like that, and you just stick it right back in there. So I would say this is a pretty handy little kit to have, but don't think that, like, if you're in HVAC or something, you're going to use this every single day. It probably won't hold up for a long period of time, but it's well made, but just very lightweight for not using everyday use. Okay. Thank you. Just fold it up like this. Oops. Okay. Didn't have that problem before. Make sure it's standing like this and then fold it over. It snaps nicely like that. So